Finding the best tablet for editing photos and videos in 2024 is all about getting your hands on a device that feels like it was made just for creators. What makes a tablet stand out for these tasks in your opinion? Is it having a screen where colors look so good they jump out at you, or the power to handle editing big, beautiful 4K videos without breaking a sweat? The top tablets in the game are like your go-to creative buddies. They have crystal clear displays that make your work look amazing, super accurate styluses that catch even your slightest move, and enough battery life to keep up with your creative flow all day. Let's now dive into the best tablets for photo and video editing in the 2024 market. Make sure to follow our links to get the best prices. Let's go! Number 6. Lenovo Tab P11. Best budget tablet for photo and video editing. The Lenovo Tab P11 is a solid pick for those who edit photos and videos on a tight budget. It doesn't pretend to be the ultimate editing machine, but it does offer good value for what you pay. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, it's equipped to handle basic photo and video editing tasks without too much hassle. It's not gonna blaze through heavy-duty editing apps, but it's reliable enough for lighter work and tweaks on the go. Running Android 12L, the Lenovo Tab P11 gives you access to a wide range of editing apps on the Google Play Store. With 4 GB of RAM, it's fair in multitasking, allowing you to switch between apps reasonably well. Storage is modest at 64 GB, which is okay to start with for storing your projects and apps. If you find yourself running out of space, you can expand it with a memory card. The display is one of its stronger points for the price. The 11.5-inch 2K screen is quite decent for reviewing and editing work, offering clear visuals and enough brightness at 400 nits to work in different lighting conditions. For budget-conscious photo and video editors, the Lenovo Tab P11 hits a sweet spot between affordability and functionality. It's not packed with the latest and greatest specs, but it offers a practical solution for editing on a budget. Number 5. Amazon Fire HD 10 with stylus. Best tablet for photo and video editing for artists. For the artistic souls dipping their toes into the digital world of photo and video editing without breaking the bank, the Amazon Fire HD 10 with stylus is a hidden gem. It's tailored for those who love to add a personal touch to their creations using a stylus without the hefty price tag often seen with high-end tablets. The Fire HD 10's standout feature for artists is undoubtedly the compatibility with the made-for-Amazon stylus pen. Although sold separately, this stylus transforms the tablet into a canvas for your creativity. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it mimics the feel of a real pen on paper. Whether you're sketching out a new design or fine-tuning the details on a photo, the precision it offers is a game-changer for budget-conscious editors. Performance-wise, the tablet doesn't disappoint either. With 3 GB of RAM and a processor that's 25% faster than its predecessor, it handles photo and video editing tasks smoothly. This means less time waiting for your edits to apply and more time bringing your visions to life. Plus, with up to 13 hours of battery life, you can edit to your heart's content without constantly reaching for the charger. Good stuff. Number 4. Asus ROG Flow Z13. Best premium tablet for photo and video editing. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is nothing short of a powerhouse, tailor-made for photo and video editors who demand speed and muscle in a tablet. Imagine having the flexibility to sketch directly on a touchscreen with active stylus support, capturing every nuance of your creative vision. Under the hood, this device doesn't hold back. It's equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050. This combo means you're slicing through editing tasks like butter, even with the most demanding software. Think lightning-fast rendering times and smooth playback, even when you're working with 4K or even 8K video files. But power needs speed, right? The Rogue Flow Z13 delivers with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 1 terabyte of SSD storage. Load times? Practically non-existent. And multitasking? A breeze. Say goodbye to the spinning wheel of doom when switching between your editing apps and previewing your masterpieces. Cooling is crucial, especially with all that power. Asus has this covered with their Rogue Intelligent Cooling System. It keeps things chill, so you can push the device to its limits without overheating worries. And the display? It's a stunner. With the Nebula display, you're getting crystal clear, color-accurate visuals on a QHD screen. Its high refresh rate, combined with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and Pantone validation, ensures your edits look exactly as intended, under any lighting condition. Top-tier stuff. Number 3. Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Best tablet for photo and video editing for advanced users. For advanced photo and video editors looking for the ultimate tablet to match their high standards, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra emerges as a front-runner. It's not just any tablet, it's a game-changer in the realm of creative digital work. At the heart of its prowess is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, offering unmatched power and performance. This isn't just about speed, it's about the seamless execution of demanding editing software, enabling creators to bring their visions to life without a hint of lag. Imagine layering effects on 4K videos or tweaking high-resolution images with precision. This tablet keeps up, no sweat. But what truly sets the Tab S9 Ultra apart for photo and video aficionados is its display. The 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen is a feast for the eyes. It's not only our largest screen in the Tab S9 series, but a canvas that presents intense colors, deep contrast, and exceptional brilliance. Editing on the screen means you're seeing your work just as you intended, with every hue and shadow in crystal clear detail. Durability-wise, the Tab S9 Ultra stands out in the rugged terrains of creative work. Encased in an Armor aluminum frame and boasting an IP68 rating, it's designed to accompany you on every adventure, worry-free from water and dust. The minimalistic design and ultra-slim bezels don't just look good, they inspire creativity. Quality stuff. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Best Windows tablet for photo and video editing. The Microsoft Surface Pro 9 stands out as the go-to Windows tablet for photo and video editors who need a blend of power, portability, and precision. With Windows 11 and its innovative Copilot feature, this tablet is not just a device, it's your AI-powered partner in creativity. Copilot simplifies complex tasks, helping you focus on bringing your artistic vision to life without getting bogged down by the technicalities. The immersive 13-inch touchscreen is a window to your creative world, intelligently adjusting its color balance to match your environment. This means whether you're editing photos in a cafe or cutting videos in your studio, the display ensures your work looks just right. Flexibility is key for any editor, and the Surface Pro 9 gets it right with its adjustable kickstand. Add the Surface Pro signature keyboard, and you've got a laptop-ready setup for when you're deep into editing projects. And for those moments when you need to sketch or jot down ideas, the Surface Slim Pen 2 makes it feel as natural as pen on paper. But what about performance? Built on the Intel Evo platform with the latest Intel Core processors, the Surface Pro 9 doesn't just keep up, it leads the way. And with up to 19 hours of battery life, the Surface Pro 9 ensures your flow isn't interrupted by constant recharging. For Windows using photo and video editors, the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 is the best choice. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro. Best tablet for photo and video editing overall. For photo and video editors, the Apple iPad Pro stands out as the ultimate editing powerhouse. Thanks to its M2 chip, It handles even the most demanding tasks with ease, allowing for seamless 4K video edits and detailed photo retouching without any hiccups in performance. iPad OS elevates the editing experience by offering multitasking capabilities that are both productive and intuitive. You can work on a video, sketch out ideas, and manage emails simultaneously without skipping a beat, thanks to features like Stage Manager and the support for running multiple apps at once. The Apple Pencil transforms the iPad Pro into an artist's canvas, offering precision and responsiveness that rivals traditional editing tools. Whether you're making subtle photo adjustments or drawing complex illustrations, the Pencil feels like a natural extension of your hand. Visuals are stunning on the 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, where every detail of your work is showcased in vivid clarity. The display's high brightness level, contrast ratio, and color accuracy ensure that what you edit is true to life, making it perfect for HDR content. Battery life is impressive, supporting long sessions of creativity without the need for frequent charging. This, combined with the tablet's portability, makes the iPad Pro an indispensable tool for creators who value flexibility and power in their workflow. This is the best option out there. And that's a wrap. Let us know in the comments. Are you looking for a high-value deal like the latest Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite? Or do you want to go all in with a monster like the Asus ROG Flow Z13? If you enjoyed the guide, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.